Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a private DNS on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, you can go down and tap on connections. Then we go down and tap on more connection settings. Next, tap on private DNS. Now, by default, it is set to automatic. So if you want to use your own private DNS, you can tap on that. And here is the address that I have previously used. Now you can use this DNS here, or you can use other DNS name that you have. The one that I use is Cloudflare DNS. You may want to use another popular one is OpenDNS. With this DNS, it can filter out any content that you don't want allow other people to see. For example, some other website. For example, if you use this DNS, it can filter out those content. And finally, you can tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can change or how you can set the private DNS on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.